All right, what's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well this morning. Today, I want to show you a beautiful, beautiful trade that I'm in today. All thanks to the Manara tool from Eaconomy. So let's go ahead and get into this, guys. This is a trade. This is a gold trade. Okay. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Share. All right. All right, guys. So you should be able to see my screen here, guys. This trade right here is we're in gold, okay, and this is the 4-hour chart. Let me go down to I believe it's a 30-minute chart here. Nope, it's the 15-minute, I believe. Okay, here we go. All right, guys. So look at this beautiful, beautiful setup. I think it's, let's see, Shark Cipher. Okay. So the great thing about the Monara, ladies and gentlemen, is the patterns that you see here that it paints for you in the market, because the market, like I told you before, the Forex market, with the naked eye, you can't see these patterns, but the Manara is going to draw out the patterns for you. Okay. So you see the coordinates here. The great thing about this tool is the coordinates that you see here. The market always wants to to complete the pattern. Okay, let me say that again. When it comes to the Manara, when it comes to uh, this particular tool, it always wants to complete the pattern. Okay, now what do I mean by that? Let me just give you an example on this cipher. This is a cipher pattern. You see it came down X, and then we start our pattern. We start our pattern in A, B, C, and it wants to get here, which eventually it will. Okay, because we have a new entry point right here. All right. Now, what I'm really excited about is this 4-hour, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the bat. Okay. So look at this beautiful setup right here. Gold has been falling like water, right? It's falling like rain, uh, as you can see. So look at this trade right here, guys. So it came down. It said this is a bat. This right here is a bat pattern. A, B, C, and then it dropped. Usually in the market, when there is a big drop, right, or a huge bullish move or a huge bearish move like this, there's always got to be a correction, and that is what the bat is going to do for you. Okay, well, not just the bat, but any other pattern, the crab, which is my favorite. But look at this, guys. Look what happened. Gold came down here. It wicked. Look at this long wick right here, which was the entry point. And now we're looking to go to target number 1. I got into this trade before this pattern even showed up, guys. And we're already in profit on this on this trade, because I seen it. I got up this morning. I said, oh man, gold has to come up. It has to correct itself. And that's exactly what it's doing. And that's exactly what it has to do right here. Okay. So that's what we're in right now. Let's go to the notifications. As you can see here, it gave me the notification right here. I didn't have to do anything. All I did was added gold to my watch list. Okay, you can add any pair here to your watch list that you like to trade. And I went to my notifications. And again, I was already in this gold trade before the notification even showed up. So I got an early start. And lo and behold, I knew it was going to somehow, some way, I knew it was going to pop up. And look at this, the bat 4-hour time frame, which is a beautiful time frame. It means once this completes, it's going to be a great pattern. Or for those who get into this trade early on, like I did, it's going to you're going to catch some nice pips. Okay, it's a 1-to-3 ratio, risk to reward, which is perfect. It's going to give you, it gave you the entry point, the target. Now, P.S. and by the way, let me give you a a tip on the target. Okay, many times you're going to see that the market doesn't hit the target right away. Okay, my suggestion to you is take your pips and run. Okay, take your pips, pip and dip. You've probably heard that before, pip and dip. If it gets halfway to this, that's still good. If it gets to this, that's good. Eventually, the market will complete the pattern and get to this. But will it get to it right away? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Now we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. Remember, it's going to take longer for this pattern to develop because each candle, let's go back. What happened to my gold? There we go. Remember, each pattern here, or not each pattern, but each candle, guys, is a 4-hour candle. So it's going to take a little bit longer, for this to develop. Okay. So you got to be patient. Take your, you like a profit that you see when you get into something like this, take your profits and be done for the day. That would be my suggestion to you. Okay. As always, ladies and gentlemen, I always like to say in my Forex trading videos, my results are not typical. The way I trade is going to be different than the way you trade. And when you get inside of Eaconomy, okay, when you get inside of Eaconomy, what you're going to do is you're going to practice. All right, especially if you're new, you have to practice because practice makes perfect. And you can't get in this trying to get rich overnight. That's not what Forex is. Okay, Forex is a risk. You're risking money. You're risking your time. Take this seriously. Take this very seriously, guys. Practice, practice, practice. I just got off the phone with another customer that's coming in, and she's excited. And I told her, if you're new to this, you need to practice. Don't come in here trying to hit the home run because you're going to hurt yourself. Come in here, practice, get your demo account, sign up with the broker that we recommend, which is Manara. You're going to see all that information below this video, and perfect this skill. Okay. Manara is doing all the heavy lifting for you. When I first started in trading, ladies and gentlemen, I had to, mark up my own charts, right? I had to, draw my own lines and everything. This tool, guys, is not only a game changer, but it's a time saver because the Monara is based on, support and resistance. It's based on the MACD. It's based on trend lines. It's based on many different parameters that you would have to, if you didn't have this tool, you would have to go to a naked chart and draw out all your support and resistance zones, your trend lines. It's just a lot of work, right? Why not tap into a tool like this? And this is PS, and by the way, this is beginner friendly. This is beginner friendly. Okay. Tap into a tool like this and go about your day, right? And let the software, let the scanner do all the heavy lifting for you guys. Okay. So that's what I want to share with you today. To let you know, guys, this the Eaconomy and the Manara Tool, just one of the things that we have inside of this particular academy is very, very good, guys. I started to give you an idea of my trading because I always like to do these I always like to do these flips, right? You guys know I flipped $200 into 10,000. Now I started a new account with $500, and now this account is over $1,300 as we speak, as I'm in this live trade. It's already over $1,300. Okay, but of course my results are not typical, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the way I trade is a little bit more riskier, but I recommend you starting out because you're new to all this. Starting out, you want to practice, safe trading, risk management, and do it like that. Okay. So this trade is moving very nicely. Let me show you how it's moving. Let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. We have a bat. We had a shark. Let's go to the bat. Okay, so you see how this trade is moving, guys. So the 4 hour is not going to show you a lot of movement because it's 4 hours. But you can see the movement on a lower time frame. Look at this, guys. It's moving. It is moving. Okay. And again, I got in at the top of this around here somewhere. And we're already moving really nicely, guys. Okay. So I may just close out when it gets up to here, because I'm not, again, I'm just looking to make a little bit of profits, a little bit increase on my account daily. And I like to do these little account flips, and see how far I can take. Okay. So let's get you started, guys. If you got any questions, let me know. Go ahead and stop this here. All right. If you're looking for something that you've been looking in Forex, you've been looking for a opportunity that, you can not only learn the skill, okay, not only learn the skill, but master it with the tools that we have, like the Manara guys. Hey, get in. Okay. You're going to be paying less than $100, well, pretty much actually less than $200 a month, about right at $99 a month, guys, to tap into this skill, to learn the skill, to perfect the skill. Okay. You can't beat it. I mean, people, hey, listen to this. 90% of the people in the world, without blinking, pay thousands of dollars to go to college. Thousands, guys. Okay. Without thinking about it. And you go to college for what? You go to college so you can go to school and work for somebody else. With this, ladies and gentlemen, this is priceless. You're paying less than $200 a month. You spend $100 blinking these days. I mean, with inflation, you spend $100 going out of the house, going to the gas station. You're going to spend about $100. Okay, so get started. Get yourself involved. Okay. What's going on, Dynasty? Hey, you're welcome, sis. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, Willie, that back pattern is no joke, sir. Hey, it's powerful. My favorite is the crab. The crab is, the first pattern I seen last night for gold was, and I had some major pips last night too on gold because I saw a crab pattern on a 30-minute chart. It's amazing. All right, Adam. He said, "Hi, sir. I sent you a message to you, but you didn't reply yesterday. I paid for the elite pack, but can I?" Okay, do me a favor, Adam. If you could send me a message on. Did you message me on Facebook? If you have not, please message me on Facebook under Ontarian Hawkins. Okay, message me on Facebook under Ontarian Hawkins, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay. Please do that for me. Now, if you comment on one of my videos, more than likely I won't see it because, again, I got a lot of videos out there, a lot of people commenting. It's a lot of traffic, a lot of noise. But if you go below my videos, you can do one or two things. You can go and message me on Facebook, or you can go below this video and book a time to speak with me. I always tell people every video, I say, hey, book a time to speak with me. Or just go to my Facebook and reach out to me and message me. I'll be happy to help you, Adam, okay? All right, ladies and gents, thanks for watching. Again, you see the power of this tool. I mean, there's nothing else that I can tell you, to be honest with you. Get started. Get yourself involved. You won't be sorry. You won't be disappointed. That's what I meant to say. You won't be disappointed, okay? All right. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. I think I'm going to, again, probably close this trade out. I'm looking for it to push up a little bit more. Actually, on the 4 hours, looking very good. I mean, I got in at the tip of this thing. You're talking about a perfect entry. I'm looking at the 4 hour chart on my phone right now. Wowzers. That's all I can say. I mean, thanks to Manara, it gives you those entry. One of the major difficulties in trading for traders is your entry and exit. Okay, one of the major not issues but struggles is when do I enter the trade? When do I exit? Guys, Monero gives you all of that, as I just showed you. Okay, so you're looking for a perfect, precise sniper entry and exit, especially entry, because your entry is everything. Okay, the Manara is going to do it for you. All right, so get signed up, guys. Let's go. Let's do it. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.